Dina?
That's my injury.
Hi, this is video blog number
4.
Number 4.
Look at my battle scars. Hello!
From playing Patintero.
Hello!
We're not really sure if this is Mickey or Ikay.
It's Ikay.
Hello!
Maybe because of extreme loneliness, schizophrenia, hello?
I agree.
Is anybody out there?
Calling DSWD. Calling DSWD.
Yodelay. The hills are alive.
Wait, hindi. He cheated on me with Echo.
Okay, so where are we?
We're in Fantasy World. We just came from Calaruega. Desecrated. Mickey basically desecrated Calaruega.
And now, I'm corrupting Fantasy World one cigarette butt at a time.
In other words, littering. MPA.
Bayani Fernando.
Oh, by the way, we're in a chapter.
No, we're not. We're in a cemetery.
Yodelay.
What's your song? 1, 2.
Baki. Pa?
Hi to,
Members ng Six Icon Wave. Best friend ni Mickey na si Ney.
okay, we're not gonna show this to anybody anymore.
No, it's for public viewing.
Okay, roses are red.
Violets are blue!
Micaela, will you be my Don? Number 2.
Yeah, we're definitely not showing this to anybody.
For pecs.
For Pex.
Yodelay.
We're getting... Joke and I are getting scared, so we're... This is too tight.
Hello!